Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a small exercise in Excel. See, here we are having students and total marks, and you are asked to enter the students and total marks in the Excel sheet. Here normally here only two columns are there. If there are several columns, around 10 columns are there, means then it will be very difficult for you to see the data like this. If the columns are like age, then hobbies, like that, some data entry forms will be there. At that time, it will be very difficult for you to enter around 5 columns or 10 columns. At that time, what we can do is we can go for the data entry form. How can you generate that? Just press Alt D and O. Okay. Then it will generate like this. Okay, you can click new and you can start entering very fast. This is for only 2 columns. If it is around 10 columns, then it will be easy for you to key the data in the data entry form. Then it will automatically come over here. And when you close it, it will be over. Okay, you can just press Ctrl S and you can save the Excel sheet. Use Alt D plus O to generate the data entry.